In this video, you're going to practice your listening and writing skills with a dictation activity. You're going to need a caneta, papel, so go and grab them now and get ready. Olá pessoal, tudo bem? Welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Fernando from funwithbrazilianportuguese.com. If you'd like to be notified every time I post new videos that are going to help you improve your Brazilian Portuguese, make sure you don't leave this channel before subscribing to it. So today we're doing a dictation activity that's going to help you with your listening and writing skills. A while ago I did a similar activity with telephone numbers, but today I'm actually reading from a kid's book, Os Três Porquinhos. I'm going to read a few sentences from this book and I would like you to write them down. So you're going to need a pen and paper. If you haven't got them yet, pause the video now, go and get them and come back. This is how it's going to work. I'm going to read each sentence once at normal speed and I'm going to give a gap between the sentences so you have time to write them down. Remember, you're listening for accuracy. That means you need to write down every single word that I say. Once I finish reading the sentences, I'm going to go back and I'm going to read them one more time, but this time the words will be on the screen, so you have the opportunity to check how you did. Okay? Vamos começar então. Let me get my glasses and the book. Os Três Porquinhos. Era uma vez 3 porquinhos que saíram da casa de sua mãe. Cada um construiria a sua própria casa. Seguiram caminhos diferentes. O primeiro porquinho construiu a sua casa com palha. Logo ficou pronta e ele foi dormir. Chegou um lobo que queria comer o porquinho e disse: abra a porta ou derrubarei esta casa com um sopro só. O porquinho não abriu. O lobo soprou e derrubou a casa. O porquinho fugiu. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning, read them again, but this time the words will be on the screen so you can check how you did. Era uma vez 3 porquinhos que saíram da casa de sua mãe. Cada um construiria sua própria casa. Seguiram caminhos diferentes. O primeiro porquinho construiu a sua casa com palha. Logo ficou pronta e ele foi dormir. Chegou um lobo que queria comer o porquinho e disse: "Abra a porta ou derrubarei esta casa com um sopro só." O porquinho não abriu. O lobo soprou e derrubou a casa. O porquinho fugiu. So another activity that you can actually do is practice your speaking as well. You can go back to when I started reading for the second time with the words on the screen, and you can pause after each line and repeat them out loud. So that's a great way to practice your pronunciation and your intonation as well. But before you do that, I'd like to ask you 2 questions. The first one is, how did you do? Let me know in the comments if you found it easy, difficult, and which words that you had problems with. And if you have any questions about the vocabulary or even the grammar in the sentences, let me know in the comments. The other question that I have for you is, did you enjoy this activity? And if so, would you like me to do it again in future videos? I would love to hear your opinion. Muito obrigado. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon. Até mais. Tchau.